Video we will be solving sum number 15, 16, 17, 18 of the problem set. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC given, AD BC are 15, AB is 25, BD perpendicular to AD, AC perpendicular to BC. All this information is given and we want to find area of this trapezium ABCD. Area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. Half into sum of parallel sides into height. What we will do here is first we will find out BD. In triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem, AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. 15 square plus BD square is equal to 25 square. Calculating this, you will get BD as 20 units. You will get BD as 20 units. BD we found out as 20 units. Similarly, AC will also be 20 units. Area of trapezium formula is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So we need to draw heights over here. Draw DM perpendicular to AB and draw CN perpendicular to AB. Draw DM, draw CN perpendicular to side AB. How shall we find out this height now? We will find out area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ADB is equal to half into base into height. Base we will take as AD and height we will take as BD. So half into 15 into 20 will give us 150 square units. 150 square units. Again, let's apply area of triangle ADB formula, but this time base we will take as AB and height we will take as DM. Area we have already found out, 150 is equal to half into base AB is 25, DM we have to find out. Cross multiplication will give us DM is equal to 12 units. DM is equal to 12 units. So we have found out the height DM as 12. Similarly, height CN is also 12. Now we will be finding out AM, segment AM, length AM by applying Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle DMA. In right angle triangle DMA by Pythagoras theorem, we will get AM square plus DM square is equal to AD square. AM square plus 12 square is equal to 15 square. 144 and here it will come 225. AM square 225 minus 144. AM square is 81 root 81 and that will become 9 units. AM is equal to 9 units. Similarly, we will get BN also as 9 units. 25 minus 9 plus 9. 25 minus 9 plus 9. 25 minus 18, 7. MN will become 7. MN will become 7. 25 minus 18. MN is 7, so DC is also 7 because quadrilateral DMNC is a rectangle. Quadrilateral DMNC is a rectangle. DC is equal to MN is equal to 7 units. The reason is opposite sides of rectangle. Now we have to find out the area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium formula, as I said earlier, half into sum of parallel sides AB plus DC into height. AB is already given as 25. DC is found out just now 7. Height DM is 12. Height you can also take as CN, doesn't matter. Half into 32 into 12, which will give you 192 square units. In sum number 16, we have triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Point S is on the side QR such that QS is equal to 1/3 QR. We have to prove 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Because triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal. Let us consider all the sides as x units. All the sides as x units because all the sides are equal. QS is 1/3 QR, so QS will become x upon 3. QS will become x upon 3. QT will become x upon 2. QT will become x upon 2 because T is the midpoint of QR, because perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side bisect the opposite side in an equilateral triangle. Now let's find out ST. Now let us find out ST. ST is equal to QT minus QS. QT minus QS. ST is equal to QT minus QS. X upon 2 minus x upon 3. Cross multiplication will give us ST as x upon 6. ST we found out as x upon 6. PT is the height. PT is the height of the equilateral triangle. And height of the equilateral triangle formula is √3 upon 2 into side. And here the side is x. So PT will become √3x upon 2. PT has become √3x upon 2. Now in order to find out PS, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle PTS. In right angle triangle PTS by Pythagoras theorem, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. PT is √3 upon 2x the whole square. ST is x upon 6 the whole square. 3 upon 4x square plus x square upon 36. Equalizing the denominator into 9, multiply in the numerator and denominator. This will give us 27x square plus x square upon 36. 36 PS square is equal to 28x square. Dividing both the sides by 4 will give us 9PS square is equal to 7x square. 9PS square is equal to 7. X can be again replaced by PQ because X was assumed as the side of equilateral triangle, as it is proved. In sum number 17, PM is the median of triangle PQR. PQ is 40, PR is 42, median PM is 29, and we have to find out QR. Because PM is the median, therefore M is the midpoint of QR. In triangle PQR, PM being the median, let us apply Apollonius theorem. PQ square plus PR square is equal to 2PM square plus 2MR square. Now substituting the values, 40 square plus 42 square is equal to 229 square plus 2MR square. MR we have to find out. 40 square 1600, 42 square 1764, 2 into 841 plus 2MR square. If you add this, you will get 3364 is equal to 1682 plus 2MR square. 3364 minus 1682 is equal to 2MR square. Subtracting this, you will get 1682 is equal to 2MR square. MR square is equal to 1682 upon 2. MR square is equal to 841. MR is equal to √841. MR is equal to 29 units. MR is 29. QM is equal to MR. So QM is also 29. QR is equal to QM plus MR. 29 plus 29, and that comes to 58 units. sum number 18, there is one triangle ABC. AM is the median. AB is 22, AC is given 34, BC is 24, and we have to find the length of the median AM. Because AM is the median, therefore M is the midpoint of BC. BC is 24, so BM will become half of 24, 12. MC will also become half of 24, 12. In triangle ABC, AM is the median, therefore by Apollonus theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2MC square. 22 square plus 34 square is equal to 2AM square plus 212 square. Substituting the values. 22 square 484, 34 square 1156 is equal to 2AM square plus 2 into 144. 1640, adding 1156 and 484. 1156 plus 484 will give you 1640 is equal to 2AM square plus 288. 1640 minus 288 is equal to 2AM square. 1640 minus 288 will give us, let us subtract this, 1352 is equal to 2AM square. 1352 upon 2 is equal to AM square. Dividing by 2 will give us 676. AM is equal to root 676. AM is equal to 26 units. So we have found out the length of the median AM as 26 units.